Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input types. Right now we'll be discussing about the HTML input type of Datetime-local. The input type of Datetime-local specifies a date and time input field with no time zone. Depending on browser support, a date picker can show up in the input field. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Let's get back to our code. Our document is right here, where we discuss about text input, password input, submit input, reset input, radio input, checkbox input, button input, color input, text mask input, date main input. And you can check this playlist on HTML form playlist or the HTML input types playlist. So quickly, let's continue our discussion. Check the playlist to be able to follow along easily. Let's quickly break this thing. Let's give it double break. Alright, now let's create another input. But before we create another input, let's create label for it. We need Datetime-local, Datetime-local. So I'm having Datetime-local like this. Now, what do we need again? Let's write right here. Let's write Datetime-local input. Datetime-local input. So after that, let's quickly write Datetime-local input type and give it a name. Let's just give it Datetime-local also, and save your document. Let's give this ID also for the screen reader. Let's reload our document. Can you see? This is what we got. Yeah. So now let's say how can you use it. I'm going to tell you now. Let's say for instance now you are working in a hospital. Let's say you are working in a hospital. Inside the hospital, they gave back to one child and they said you should create a form for them to be able to fill the current date. This is how it works. The current date when they gave back to the child, you can click it, maybe it's today, it automatically generates it fast, and also you can write date, you can write day, you can write time. Can you see? I gave it this one. Let me give it 222. And also, as you can see, the date is correct. Let's say the date is correct and it's very looking reasonable now. Now it's okay. Now when we reload it, let's submit our button. Can you see it's going? Our Datetime-local, can you see it's already going? So our data is ready to ship out. So that's what is going on right here. So I want you to use this and practice it, because practice makes perfect. If you don't do it, nobody can do that for you. Anwar akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Until the next. Bye.